and 20th August 2026 na information and saka no eya reho sem ye pa say ye papa Mr. Stephen Boateng the CEO of Kesbin Group of Companies wato anamo e won do na ebusia information by as a shock to many because ye wura semeje fi in law in asekra no ye hun say Mr. Kwabena Kese eba ho mi bi ne wadress kama bi anche say papa we hu do no but information saka enani ye say wato anamo about the cause of his death. And then better mountain say back a crammet makani say ye were Kwabena Kese. Ye won on the 12th of September 1957. That means say within 69 years. I can't just on few weeks within the birthday. Petebusia when you amanabo yensaka yara wosem ye panty reading similar to say the habetum biatono a besan ed have assume. The videos are crabbing say to me kai and I made it assume mesro say comments as one mu eyawodia. Obetre wadri na wachero a registration sem ediama ebusiano. Video kakra me saka na media be resume mesra say di mo comments is one mo eyawodia mebusha ne shege na afi so no a register sem bia won so no obitima to we comments is what dia me na afi di mesra so my page ni mi adoma no so me say na me upload na unsa ebitima ka makra